Hi, this is Chuck, and I'm going to go over a lubrication procedure on the Bailey's Home Quilter of the most important area of the machine that over the course of weeks, months, and years can become dry and sluggish and result in problems with sewing. So here we go. Your machine, this happens to be a 15-inch machine. They're all the same in this area. We took the needle out and then snugged up the needle clamp because we're going to run it, and we don't want the clamp to rattle. We took the foot off and the screw that holds the foot. And then we took this little, we took all the bobbin case and shuttle area apart. And then we took this little box off. There's a screw here that holds it on. And then there's another screw back here that holds it on. Okay, so that gets us down to where we're going to do the lubrication. Now, the machine, if the machine can be turned by hand freely, then you can run it slowly with the pedal and do some lubrication. If you have the stitch regulator, you're better off to put your foot control on the machine because the procedure is like this. I'm going to pick this unit up and we'll use this as a sample. The procedure is to get a drop of oil here and a drop of oil here. You don't have access to this hole here on all models, so a drop here and a drop there, and then run the machine for maybe a minute or two at slow to medium speed, and then repeat this exact same thing. Run it for a couple minutes. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Maybe for a total of an hour. Okay. After running for a while, you'll see that it will seep some dark oil out underneath. You put some paper toweling underneath it, it will seep it out there. So on the machine itself, what we're talking about is, of course, this wing that you see is part of this shaft. So you have the wing, you have the collar, and then you have the gear. So between the collar and the housing, between here and the housing. So to go to the machine and point the same thing out, between the collar and the housing and between the wing and the housing here. That pretty much concludes that particular area of the machine. Now there's a lot of places on the machine that can have lubrication from time to time. This is number one, by far number one. Concentrate on this and it'll save you a lot of trouble. I go through this with people on the phone over and over again when they call in, and they usually call back and say that took care of it. So thank you very much.